today, but we're heading to the Hillsborough River State Park. We just took the exit about an hour away from where we were at. And we're gonna get a little meal, maybe do a little shopping. And then we'll head over to the park, check it out. Our general RV, Matt's RV reviews. They got a lot of things over there. What a big spot. Sounds good, love. One way. There's only one way. The right way. This is a nice area. It says it's shaped by fire. You can see the bottom of all these palms, and the trunks of all these palms have charred bark on them. Hello.
Hello. Having a blast. About to see your new site. It looks gorgeous here, though.
Oh my gosh.
So much to do. It has a gorgeous playground for kids. We don't have kids, but.
So you're trying to help me find our spot?
Yeah, she just said it was
26 with a Winnebago view, and 27 with another Winnebago, and 28. Here we go with the river frontage. Alright, so for connecting your electrical, typically you have a little flapper at the bottom here. There's a little notch in it. Once you get your length of cord, you can just slide it through. Pop this up and turn the tabs. It's just so you can close the door. And lock it. With the wire coming out. Now, you always want a surge protector. Over at the panel. You want to always make sure that the breakers are off. Plug in your surge protector. Clean off any dirt or water. It's on the prongs. Plug it in, and then turn on your breaker. In this particular one, 2 outer yellow dots means that we have a good connection. Here we have 1, 2, and 3 Winnebago views. Pretty cool. So this is where we ended up, lot number 28. It's right on the river.
Let's go this way. Oh my gosh. Okay. Honey, can you hold on to Kara for a second?
All right, come over here, Kara. We're going to show everybody lot number 28.
I'm gonna go to the bus.
This is a nice opening area right next to our RV. Crocodile infested waters.
I'm trying to get them tired before we do some of this type of sightseeing.
Yeah.
I need to like get tired.
We need them to really be quiet. Tonight. We need them to get really tired so that when the golf carts drive by, they don't bark. What is this place, Carib? What is this place? What is this place? What is this place? A lot of big birds around here. Not really a bird guy, so I can't identify what they are. But it's amazing. Tonight we have fresh salmon fillet with mashed potatoes. What a gorgeous night over here. Check out this campground. Very peaceful. Love it. In the center over here, we have the bathhouse. It's very quiet. I was trying to get a time lapse of all these huge birds. Look at them. Oh my gosh. Like nothing I've ever seen. Alright, let's dig in. We'll watch a movie.
We'll show Chloe. You can see fast asleep. Oh, Chloe.
And we'll see you in the morning. I think our speakers are gonna blow. Here we are, another morning. On this beautiful trip. Well, good morning. And what a great morning it has been. The sun's shining. The leaves are falling in a good way. Sounds like rain on the RV. So today we're going to be heading out of this campsite, but we are going to be taking one of the hiking trails to the suspension bridge. So we'll do that, and then we're going to be making our way over to Fort DeSoto in Pinellas County. So be sure to check that video out, and we'll see you on the trails. Okay, the girls and I are going to be starting our trek to the suspension bridge.
Okay, Kara.
We go on our walk.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to.
Alright, here we are at the suspension bridge. Come on, Chloe. Jump, jump. Come on. Oh my gosh, this thing is a suspension bridge. I feel like it's bouncing quite a bit.
Okay, okay. Go slow.
Yipes. I hear a lot of creaking. This is nothing. Let's look over here. Looks way more gorgeous in person. Watch out for them crocs. No, there's no crocs, there's alligators.
Sometimes, but I know we're safe. Two peas in a pod, a roller coaster to walk out the door. We could be in control, but we just keep on putting on a show. And baby, I don't mind it. Let them talk, they don't get it. That we are two peas in a pod.
Oh, so that was a nice hike. You just gotta watch out for some of the roots sticking out of the ground. Make sure you lift up your feet. But it was beautiful, especially the part along the river. Some of the surrounding areas were beautiful, but you see the same thing over and over. Nice to get the blood flowing, huh?
Yes. Feel great.
If you come while COVID is not happening, they have a beautiful half-acre pool. That would be fun.